Hey, I am your host. Welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Cemu error code 102-1021. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar, and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players launch the game and after going through the pop-ups in the game, it crashes and shows the error. The error prevents the players from even playing offline. According to our research, the error may come if there is an issue with Miiverse settings, network connection, Nintendo account data, or if you are running mods. To deal with this error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device and try launching the game again. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then go to the network settings and close Miiverse. Once you have done this, check for the error again. If the error still persists and you are running mods, then disable them first and try again. Once done, check if this helps with the error. If you still get the error, then check your Nintendo account data or your network connection and see if the error still comes. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.